Namaste children, welcome to our next class. Today you are going to learn about the people who help us in the society. There are different professions. Among that, who are helping us, you are going to learn. Here you can see in the picture, the people are planting some saplings. So what they are doing here, they are farming, they are involved in farming. So the saplings which are there in their hand are rice saplings. So they are planting the rice saplings. So the farmers are the people who are planting the rice saplings are known as farmers. So farmers are growing the crops. You can see the crop in the picture. A crop means same kind of plants growing in large area. So here you need one content book, your workbook and the notebook to do this activity. And we will see the keywords in this lesson. The first one is crop. Crop means a plant such as grain, fruit or vegetable that is grown in large amounts by farmers.
Crop. A plant such as grain, fruit, or vegetable that is grown in large amounts by farmers.
And the next one is pulses. Pulses. Pulses means different kinds of dried beans or peas which are cooked and eaten as food.
Pulses. Different kinds of dried beans or peas which are cooked and eaten as food.
Next one, harvest. Harvest. Harvest means to cut and collect crops when they are ready. When they are ready to give us any harvesting, any grain or pulse, then the farmers will cut that from the field. So that's called as harvest.
Harvest. To cut and collect crops when they are ready.
Now you just find out what are the things we get from crops. Are we getting a pencil from the crop? No, we are not getting that. Rice are we getting from the crops? Yes. From the farmers, what are the different things farmers are giving us? You just circle them. Carrots are we getting from the crops? Yes, it is. So circle like that you complete this activity. A bag are we getting from the crop? No. Pencil? No. Potato we get from the crop. Cabbage we get from the crop. Like this, you find out what all the things we get from crops and circle it. This is your activity. Now we will discuss on activity. What are the things that Billu does in his field? A story given in your content book about Billu, a farmer. He used to grow the crops, he used to work in his field throughout the day. When it is hot or when it is very cold, also, he used to work in the field along with his family. So he used to take the money from the money lender and after harvesting used to give back the money. That story is there in your textbook. Once go through that story and then answer. So Billu plow, Billu sow the seeds and water his field to grow the rice and wheat. He sells the harvest from his field at the market to earn a living. So these all the different things he will do before growing the crop. First thing he is doing, he is plowing the field, and next he sow the seeds, and then he water the field, and then harvest the rice and pulses, and he sells them in the market. So these are the different things Billu is doing. Why is the farmer important for us? Farmers are important for us because they are giving us food. Yes, we depend on them for food. Most of the things we eat come from farmers only. If there were no farmers, we would not have any food to eat. Farmers also grow other things such as cotton, jute, which we use to make clothes and bags. And where is it not possible to grow crops? If it is not possible to grow crops in places that do not have large open fields. It is also not possible to grow crops where the soil is dry and infertile. So, in the soil, when it is so dry, we cannot grow the crops, right? Now, we will see the questions which are given in the worksheet. So, the first one is, which three food items that we get from the farmer do you like to eat? Write their names on the plate. Any food items which you like and that are getting from the farmers. Like we get rice from the farmers, we get carrots from the farmers, we get brinjal from the farmers. Anything which you like and that you get from the crops and by the farmers, you can write in this plate. In what ways do you depend on a farmer? Give two examples. We are depending on the farmers to get our food. To get the food, we are depending on the farmers because they are growing the crops. From the crops, we get the food. And we are also getting oxygen from the farmers because they are growing the crops. Crops means the same kind of plants. So many plants, they gives us oxygen. So, for oxygen and food, we are depending on the farmers, indirectly on the plants. Can you grow crops inside your room and why? We cannot grow the crops inside our room because there is no sunlight inside our room. No sunlight inside the room, so we cannot grow the crops inside the room. Okay. So now we will move on to the next questions. So exchange your worksheets and read each other responses to see what is the same and different. So you can exchange your workbooks and read the answers what your friend has written. Take turn to explain to each other the answers that are different. So, how your answers are different from others, you can just share and both of you can exchange. And now we will go to the practice questions which are given in the textbook. Before moving on to the practice questions, you read 14.1 about farmers from your content book. After reading each and every line from the content book, then you try to answer the practice questions which are given in 14.1. So the first one is, which of these food items do we get from a farmer? Take the correct answers. Are we getting the rice from the farmer? Yes. Eggs we won't get from the farmers. Beans we are getting from the farmers. Milk we will not get from the farmers. And now second question, what will happen if farmers stop growing the crops? When they stop growing the crops, we will not get food for eating. We won't get food. We won't get the food for eating. And the next one, imagine you are a farmer. Describe three things you will do to grow crops. Also write what problems you can face in your work. The first thing, I will plow the field and then I'll sow the seeds and then I will water the plants and then I will harvest the crop. Yes, so these are the different things I'll do if I am a farmer. Definitely, the problems will be when I am doing all these works. The problems are the when the rains are not in correct time, then I may face the problem. And if I did not select good seeds, then I cannot grow the healthy crop. So these are some problems which I may face while doing farming. Okay, children. So write these practice questions and content book questions nicely and send me the pics. Thank you.